How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force Micro 50 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your connection cables. Then you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you have your main power cables, and then your AUX cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control. Now when it comes to your Supreme controls, we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using my standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. When you hook your light bar up using our Supreme control, you'll simply run your connector to your Supreme control box, and then I went ahead and ran my main power cable, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now I did bring a standard amber unit with me, and you'll see all of our full-size light bars come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and an amber traffic advisor in the back, but we offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations, and we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll notice you have your slide switch here on your Supreme control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern changer, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can get programmed on a pattern you'd like, and then this light bar has memory recall, so when you turn your light bar off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on, and you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then switch to your front mode and program a pattern here, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here, and when these buttons are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn, and these do function independently of your light bar, whether it is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And then we offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns and alleys, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in a warning of your light bar color ordered, and then when you activate these functions, they will go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice the traffic advisor comes in standard amber on all of our full-size light bars, but we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you have your center out button, you have your right left, and your left right buttons here. And then finally, you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And you'll simply hook those lights up to your aux cable harness. Now let's go over your handheld Supreme. So you'll notice the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see the slide switch is replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, and then your traffic advising features. And then you have your cruise mode, and then finally your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. Now let's go over the mounting options of your unit. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have our permanent mount stud brackets, which you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And you'll use 2 permanent mount stud brackets with this light bar. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force Micro 50 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.